In this project, we were put into groups to research a certain topic. Ours was Boeing. Went to MOHAI, the Museum of History and Industry, to research our topic. Current location, Boeing. Yeah. Yeah.
The 70. Oh, yeah.
Boeing 737 Max is under development.
In 2012.
Yeah.
Efficient wing.
Yep. So London, what do we know about Boeing so far?
That there's a man named William Boeing who...
William? Well, hold on a sec. I thought it was Bill Boeing.
William.
Bill Boeing.
What?
Bill Boeing. Bill Boeing.
Why did they say William Boeing?
Bill Bowling.
No, it's actually William Boeing.
Bill. Okay, we'll discuss this off. So this is the model plane exhibit for the Boeing part, and if you didn't know this, they also created rockets to go to the moon and all that stuff.
And
they also created
Orbiters.
orbits. Yes, the orbits.
Orbiters.
Dark side of the moon.
Marine theater.
Yes, and if you didn't know this too, they also manufactured boats.
Any type of transportation.
Boats. Yep.
Mostly airplanes.
Mostly any type. Also used for U.S. mail. As it says here. U.S. mail.
The Boeing 737 MAX under development in 2012 includes a new super efficient wingtip design. In 2007, Boeing's architecture evolution plan seamlessly begins controlling the GPS fleet.